missing sides video. This will be also on the test. It's one that most of you guys have struggled with, so I'm assuming that people will view this video. Again, we got to take the information we know, and this one definitely drawing a picture will help us figure out what these missing sides are. We have a rectangle here, so a rectangle, I'm going to draw a rectangle actually. I'm going to see if this feature here will help us out. Yeah, that's a lot better. Better than drawing a rectangle. Okay, but now I need to put in the information I know. It says it has length and width in proportion of 2 to 7. The 7 I'm going to assume is the length. If I don't know what it is, it's got to be 7x. The width is going to be 2x. And remember, the area of a rectangle equals length times width. So with the information I know, they give me the area. They say it's 686, and I do have a length and a width. I have a 7x and a 2x. Now avoid the biggest mistake that people make. When they multiply those together, so many times I've seen students just say that it's 14x. It is not 14x. Remember, these x's have exponents on them. That's x to the first and x to the first. When you multiply them together, it becomes x squared. So this is 14x squared. So now that I'm here, I got to get x squared by itself. To do that, I need to divide both sides by 14. I have no idea what that is, so I better do longhand division. 14 goes into 686. Fourteen times 5 is 70, so it must be 14 times 4. 14 times 4 is 56. If I subtract, I get 12, and I have to bring down the 6. 126. Well, I know that 14 times 10 is 140. If I took 1 off of that, magically I get 49, because 14 minus 140, 140 minus 14 is 126, right on the nose. So I'll get no remainder there. Why do I like this number so much? Because when I have 49 equals x squared, lights should be going off in my head. That when I take the square root of both sides, I know what the square root of 49 is. It is 7. And that's going to equal x. Now again, just like in the missing angles video, we can't pat ourselves on the back here. We got to make sure that we take this x equals 7 and sub it back in to these values to get the actual length and width of this rectangle. 7 times 7 is 49, so this one's going to equal 49 feet. And the one up here, 2 times 7 equals 14 feet. So I'm going to go and put my Triforce dots. Therefore, the length is 49 feet. And the width is 14 feet. Again, I hope these videos helped you out. These things will be worth mucho points on tomorrow's test. So please watch these videos and get the help that you need if you're having trouble with this stuff. I'm going to box this up here because this is my final answer. Again, thanks for watching. Hopefully these helped. Good luck on tomorrow's test.